Let's talk briefly about the ADT for Eclipse. It's basically the Android development tools, which is a set of tools and a plugin that are provided by Google for us to develop the Android platform, and it gives us some very nice things that make Android development in Eclipse easier. For example, it gives us an Android project type, which allows us to have a lot of the things that we need for our Android project automatically created. It also gives us the debugging capability on an emulator or on a real device. We can export our applications, and we can even use the code obfuscation tool I talked about before, ProGuard, to obfuscate our tools. And it gives us some visual UIs that make it a lot easier to develop our user interfaces and to see what's going on. We can install the update through an update manager that is built into Eclipse. Basically, this allows us to specify a repository where we can find all of this code, and then it will download it and automatically install the plugin into Eclipse. So let's go ahead and do that. In order to install the ADT for Eclipse, first we go into Eclipse and click Help, and then Install New Software. And then in Work With, we're going to put in that URL for the repository at Google that has the Eclipse installation. So we'll go ahead and click Add here, and we'll call this Android to add this repository. And then we're going to go ahead and select all of the developer tools so that we have them all installed as plugins into Eclipse. Now we can just go ahead and click Next here. And then we have to accept these licenses in order to install the ADT. And now we'll have to restart Eclipse for the ADT to be installed. And there's one final step we need to do in order to finish installing the ADT. We just need to go to Window, select Preferences, select Android, and then specify the Android SDK location. I've already specified it here in C Android SDK Windows. Then we can click OK, and we now have the Android ADT installed.